All right. It is a little look at how I do the live streams. I still use my interface. I got the iRigs, how I record most of my music right here. Got the green light going. It is St. Patrick's Day. We're going to do a live later. I thought I'd show you guys what I use. I use the Zoom Pro Talk P4, this little zoomer. I got my Cat headphones that came with the electronic drums. I use my iPhone as the camera and the broadcaster. I take all this stuff and I'll hook my iPad up into the iRig, and then from the iRig into the iPhone that I put up here on a tripod. I use my laptop for reading the chat and all that kind of stuff. I need to get software. Maybe you guys could leave me a comment down below, any live streamers, what software I can get to where we could take the show to where we just put me in a little box down here in the corner and we can use the actual computer screen and we can hunt down and look at stuff while we're live streaming. But that's it. The Zoom microphone is a really good microphone. I actually use it in some of my music recordings. This came with the Zoom. This is a ZDM1 dynamic microphone. It works really well with this little podcaster. You can upload different sound effects. You got 4 channels. You can record your podcast, all kinds of stuff. It's really, really simple to use. I enjoy it. And I usually just sit back here on my drum stool and you guys look at Bob Marley and all the Niners and Giants stuff I've collected over the years, and the guitars of hell, the axes of evil. Oh, it's Guitar Hell, the axes of evil. There's my actual guitar. It was a used guitar I got for $50. The bass was given to me. The acoustic guitar was given to me. I sold my acoustic drums, and I have this electronic kit. It's the Cat KT4 electronic kit. It's all right. But, oh, and I do have one snare drum left up there, the Ascend snare drum. It's 7x13 metal snare drum. Killer for reggae music and like punk rock stuff. And of course, there's the FXLRS. Plethora of surfboards. I got my surfboards, son surfboards, daughter surfboards. You guys come over and want to take a surf, we'll get you on a soft top. Collection from years and years and years. And that's about it, really. I just thought I'd do a quick rundown of the when I go live gear. I really would like to figure out some software to go live with so I could show the actual video screen. I got to do some research on that, but yeah, and that's it. So that's just a quick rundown. All right, like the channel, smash that like button right down there. Kink, 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 kink. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe, smash the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.